Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of fast and free shipping. And we got Prime Day coming up. Father's Day also. So you might want to keep those in mind. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. I guarantee you're going to like this item. So here we go. Boom. This is coming from Aqool. Aqool Party Light. Ooh, baby. Wide covering area, different pattern selection. You can have your own club in your basement now. Poker night, game night, birthdays, bar mitzvahs, Hanukkah, Christmas parties, housewarming parties, all that good stuff. So definitely check them out, and just click the link now if you guys want to get it shipped to you fast. Got something in here. Got a remote control. All I gotta do is remove this tab. Boom. Put that aside right there. Go. Oh, everything falls out at once. I'll take this downstairs because I got a better, some darker. So we're gonna see what it looks like here. Brackets. We got the shiny disco ball. Oh yeah. See how I put this in. There we go. And right here we got the power, USB. Here is got the USB, power supply. Actually, yeah, because it's too light down here. I'm going to test it out, make sure everything's good to go before I set it up and show you guys down in the basement what this thing looks like. Might as well. Got a few minutes to kill. Oh, oops. That light didn't work that well. Okay. I just want to make sure. And at least power's on before I go downstairs. Oh yeah. Got some kind of action going on there. Well, we're going to get the full effect in a second. I'm going to hop over down there. Be right back. Hey guys, we got it plugged in. Down in the basement. Look at that. And you can use the remote to switch different modes. You got the red, the green, the in between. You can turn it off. Back on. You have just the symbols. They got a lot of choices. You have it both going. Shut that one off, turn it on. There we go. I mean, this is pretty good for, I mean, I wish the cord was a little bit longer, but I got another cord in my room, so I'm going to switch that around. But other than that, though, it covers pretty good amount of area with the cord. And you can always mount it on the ceiling. Comes with a bracket to mount. But there's that. Back up a little bit more. You guys can see the whole thing. So it'd be nice for birthday parties, house parties, stuff like that. Even bar owners could get a couple of these and they'll be good to go once everything fully reopens. Another couple weeks or so. But really cool. There it is. Alright guys, check them out. So link will be down below. Get them now. Be safe. Have a good weekend.